Hello. Welcome back to High Grade Assignment Help. In today's video, we will show you how to format your assignment or essay in Harvard formatting style. Formatting is an important part of your assignment or essay as it makes the information more accessible to the reader due to the use of proper headings, subheadings, and sections. Moreover, proper formatting also makes your paper aesthetic and makes a good impression on the reader. Before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to never miss a video from our channel. First, select the entire document by pressing Ctrl and A on your keyboard. Then apply Font, Times New Roman, set the font size as 12. Set the line spacing as 1.5. Set the alignment as justified. Done. Now, select the headings and apply heading style. For this sample assignment I will select heading 1. Then, right-click on heading 1 and select Modify. Select the font style, color, size and spacing. Then click on Apply. Now select all the appropriate headings and click on heading 1 to apply the same style to all of the headings. Done. Now select all the references in your bibliography. Click on Sort, and arrange them in an ascending order. Now go to the first page of your paper. Select Insert and click on Blank Page. Now we can add the title of the paper in this blank page. To format the title, select the text, adjust font style, size, and alignment. Done. To add page numbers, go to Insert, Page Numbers. For Harvard formatting style, select bottom of the page, bold numbers 3. Make sure to select the different first page option to give your title page a cleaner look. Now you also have to apply font style to the page numbers, which you can do by selecting all the page numbers and changing the font style. After this, click on Close Header and Footer. After adding the page number, it is important to add the table of contents after the title page and executive summary. We have already made a video about how to add table of contents. It should be appearing on your screen right now in the I button. In our next video we will show you how to add references and in-text citations in your assignment or essay. So subscribe to our channel and make sure to hit the bell icon to stay informed. Thanks for watching.